So here's my table, and I've had it in the back of my pickup. Always driving down the road and encountering other problems, like the flat tire. Anyways, one thing that is very upsetting about the Airstream and how they do their tables and their doors is this laminate comes off, and I'll have to show you in a separate video all the different pieces in my rig where this laminate, the glue that they use, doesn't keep everything attached, and that's been an ongoing issue that I've encountered, and it's been doing that ever since I purchased the RV. And in various climates it kind of fixes itself and gets kind of back together, but unfortunately they don't make these tables or the laminate that attaches to most of the stuff inside of the Airstream, so that it stays together for all climates, I should say. I'm not sure why, or maybe it's just my Airstream, but anyways, it's very frustrating because every time I walk by the table, my clothes snag on this this thing. It's coming apart. So with that, I purchased some of the contact cement, and we'll go ahead and apply that, and hopefully that will resolve the problem. So I just purchased some of this contact cement, Wellwood DAP, at a big box store, and some applicators, paintbrushes, to fix the laminate on top of the tabletop before I install it onto the pedestal, and I'll show you that. So what I'm doing is I'm putting a little bit of this glue inside, and it's real tough to do while I'm holding the camera. So, but I'm pulling this apart and then putting this brush inside there to get the glue real good. So I glued it, and then I put these boards attached to it to brace against it so that the glue dries. I'm not sure if this is going to work, but figured I'd give it a chance, give it a try. We'll see. Hopefully that'll fix the laminate from coming apart. And I think it said it has to cure for 24 hours. So go ahead and do that, and then check back with you later. Hopefully be able to install it after this dries up.